Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how you can enable JavaScript in the Brave browser. So let us show you how to do that without any technical skills. So launch the Brave browser, and in the first step guys, you will need to click into these three lines in the top right and select settings from this menu here. After that, inside your browser settings, switch from get started on the left to privacy and security here. And in the next step, click into site and shield settings there. Last but not least, scroll all the way down till you get to the content feature, and below you will see the Java or JavaScript feature, so that you may, for example, decide whether you'd like to give sites you visit the opportunity and the permission to use JavaScript or not. It's totally up to you. So select one of these options. Sites can use JavaScript, don't allow sites to use JavaScript. And that's basically it. Below you may also apply customized behaviors and rules. For example, if you'd like to give exceptions to that rule, then click on add here, or to that rule, if you'd like to give an exception, click on add here. And that's basically it, guys. After that, simply enter the given website URL here to add it as a site to that rule or custom behavior. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.